Alright team, today we're taking on something special. The Paris City Skyline. The city of lights, romance, and more cafes than you can count. Can we recreate its elegance without turning this into a disaster scene? And of course, here are our instructions.
Oh, this is perfect! Look at these instructions, so clear and precise. If we follow this step by step, we'll have a mini Paris in no time.
Instructions? Really? This feels a bit rigid, don't you think? Isn't Paris supposed to be about freedom and creative expression?
It's about getting it right. We're not turning this into some kind of abstract art project.
Ugh, fine. We'll follow your precious instructions for now, but I reserve the right to add a little flair later. I mean, this is Paris, not a geometry test.
Well, just to get it out of your system now, go ahead and measure one of the bags of bricks.
Yes! I was waiting for you to ask that. 5 inches!
Well done. And now, since the precision seems optional today, we'll be tracking height as we go. So let's see if we can reach new heights, or at least not collapse halfway through. It looks like we're gonna need some of these pieces here.
Ah, yes. The search begins. A tale of courage and way too many tiny pieces.
Yeah, the instructions give us the bricks we need. It's really not that hard.
Behold, the coup de resistance.
Well, unfortunately, no, but A for effort. Good searching.
Here, these are the bricks you need to get started.
Wonderful. Let's get this base built. Excellent progress. Now, it's time to build up. I know Paris doesn't have a ton of skyscrapers, but it has some beautiful, tall landmarks that we are gonna make look impressive. Alright, looks like we're gonna need a bunch of these pieces here. Who's gonna help me out with this one?
And once again, your bricks are right here.
Ah, these slippery little bricks. It's like trying to catch a waiter's attention at a busy cafe.
Or you could look directly where I'm pointing, as I've already found the bricks.
Alright, snap these pieces here. And voila!
Woo! I think we deserve honorary architect titles. Or at least, chocolat.
Alright, Yaya. Let us know how long the Grand Palais is.
Whoop, I'm on it. The Grand Palais is 3 inches long.
Alright, on to the next one. Looking good. On to the next. And there we go. On to the next one. And here's the Louvre. And here's the wonderful Arc de Triomphe. And now for Paris's most iconic structure, the Eiffel Tower. And we attach this here, and boom, we have the Paris skyline in Lego form.
Wow, it actually turned out super great.
All right, Yaya, you know what time it is.
Alright, moment of truth. Did we build the City of Love, or just a very fancy pile of bricks? The Arc de Triomphe is 1.5 inches tall. The Champs-Élysées is 1 inch tall. The Grand Palais is 1.5 inches tall. The Tour Parnasse is 5 inches tall. The Louvre is 1.5 inches tall. And the Eiffel Tower is a whopping 9 inches tall.
Wow, that's awesome. Such beautiful heights to a beautiful city.
Feels like it needs something else.
We're not adding anything weird.
Well, what if we snuck in a hidden bakery? I mean, it is Paris, after all.
Yaya, don't tamper with greatness.
Amazing job, team. The Paris City skyline in Lego form looks magnifique.
It is beautiful and a lot taller than I expected.
And deliciously accurate thanks to my secret special edition.
There's always a special edition with Yaya.
If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And you won't believe what we're building next. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be bold. It's gonna be... What was it we were building again?